What's up, Luxefluent fam? Ever wondered how the rich stay rich? Join us as we explore the top strategies employed by the wealthy to build and safeguard their fortunes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more exclusive insights. Number 1. Investing in assets. While most people buy liabilities that drain their wallets, the rich focus on assets like real estate, stocks, and businesses. Assets put money in your pocket. Think rental properties generating monthly income, or stocks yielding dividends and capital gains. Even owning a slice of a thriving business can be lucrative. On the flip side, luxury cars only drain your finances and depreciation costs. To build wealth, prioritize assets that generate income and appreciate over time. Real estate can offer rental income and property appreciation, while stocks provide dividends and capital gains. Businesses, whether you're owned or invested in, offer opportunities for growth and profitability. Remember, it's not just about what you own, it's about what puts money back in your pocket. Number 2. Leveraging debt wisely. Forget the negative connotations. This is about using debt as a strategic asset. The wealthy see it as a tool to acquire more assets, amplifying their potential returns. For instance, rather than paying outright for an investment property, they opt for a mortgage. This move allows them to spread their investments and increase their profit potential. Rental income covers mortgage payments, while leaving room for extra profit. Not all debt is created equal. While smart leveraging can be a game changer, diving into bad debt, like maxing out credit cards, spells financial trouble. So, the lesson? Use debt wisely to acquire income-generating assets, but approach with caution. It's all about strategic moves in the wealth-building journey. Number 3. Continuous learning and self-improvement. Let's talk about the third secret sauce in the wealth-building recipe: continuous learning and self-improvement. Here's the scoop. The wealthy are perpetual learners. They devour books, attend seminars, and rub elbows with other high achievers. Why? Because staying ahead of the curve is their game plan. By keeping tabs on market trends and seeking out new investment opportunities, they're always one step ahead. Never underestimate the power of continuous learning. It's not just about making smart moves. It's about staying sharp, nimble, and ready to pounce on every opportunity that comes your way. Number 4. Tax optimization. The rich aren't just lucky, they're masters at playing the tax game. They're like financial wizards, pulling every trick in the book to minimize their tax burdens while staying squeaky clean. How do they do it? They're all about legal loopholes and tax advantage accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Plus, they're experts at sniffing out deductions and credits like bloodhounds on the hunt. But wait, ever heard of municipal bonds? These babies offer tax-free interest income, meaning the wealthy can rake in the cash without Uncle Sam taking a hefty slice. On one side, you've got someone drowning in tax bills, while on the other, you've got the rich, cruising through tax season like it's a walk in the park. So when it comes to taxes, knowledge is power. By mastering tax optimization, you're not just saving money, you're keeping more of what you earn, inching closer to financial freedom with every savvy move. Number 5. Building multiple streams of income. Relying solely on one income source is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. The wealthy, however, are masters of balance. They don't just put all their eggs in one basket. They've got a whole basket full. They're not just juggling a day job. They've got dividends flowing in from stocks, rental income padding their pockets, and maybe even a side hustle bringing in extra dough. It's like having a financial safety net for every occasion. Now imagine this. On one side, you've got someone teetering on the edge with just one income stream, while on the other, you've got the wealthy, comfortably supported by a web of income sources. Diversification is key. By building multiple streams of income, you're not just ensuring stability, you're laying the groundwork for exponential growth and financial security. What's your favorite strategy for building multiple streams of income? Share your tips and tricks with the Luxefluent community in the comments. Number 6. Networking and relationships. It's not just about who you know, but how well you know them. Successful folks aren't just lone wolves. They're the masters of building and nurturing connections like gardeners tending to prized roses. They understand that every handshake, every conversation is a potential stepping stone to new opportunities. Think partnerships, lucrative deals, and nuggets of wisdom that can shape your journey to the top. A well-placed recommendation from a connected friend isn't just a pat on the back. It's a golden ticket to doors that would otherwise remain firmly shut. Your network is your net worth. Cultivate it, nurture it, and watch it pay dividends beyond your wildest dreams. Number 7. Focus on long-term goals. They're all about the long game. While many chase after instant gratification, the rich are busy playing financial chess, making moves that pay off big time down the road. They're not in it for quick wins, they're in it for the marathon. Take investing in stocks or real estate for example. Sure, it might not give you an immediate cash injection, but over time, those investments can balloon into serious wealth. It's like planting seeds and patiently watching them grow into mighty oaks. Those who prioritize short-term pleasures over long-term security. It's like living paycheck to paycheck, always one step away from a financial cliff. Thinking long-term isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset. It's about delaying gratification today for a brighter tomorrow. And when it comes to building wealth, that's a game changer. Number 8. Living below their means. Despite swimming in wealth, many of the rich have a knack for penny pinching. They're not hoarding every penny, but they're certainly not blowing it all on designer threads or fancy gadgets. While others are caught up in the whirlwind of consumerism, constantly upgrading to the latest and greatest, the wealthy are playing the long game. They're cutting unnecessary expenses, socking away savings, and funneling cash into investments. It's not about living like a monk, it's about smart spending. Sure, they might indulge in the finer things from time to time, but they're always thinking about the bigger picture, financial security and growth. In contrast with someone who's living paycheck to paycheck, splurging on every whim. It's like trying to fill a leaky bucket with water. Living below your means isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. By prioritizing financial prudence over flashy lifestyles, you're paving the way for greater wealth accumulation and long-term success. Number 9. Taking calculated risks. The wealthy aren't risk-averse, but they're not throwing caution to the wind either. It's all about strategic risk-taking. They're like seasoned adventurers, charting unknown territory with a map in hand. Before diving in, they're not just crossing their fingers and hoping for the best. They're crunching numbers, analyzing data, and weighing potential outcomes. It's not about blind leaps of faith, it's about calculated gambles. Whether it's investing in a promising startup or tapping into a new market, they're making moves backed by thorough research and strategic planning. Now contrast that with reckless gambling. It's like playing roulette blindfolded. Calculated risks aren't just rolling the dice. They're about making informed decisions that tilt the odds in your favor, and when done right, they often pave the way to substantial rewards. Number 10. Philanthropy and giving back. It's not just about writing big checks. It's about leaving a lasting impact while building a legacy. While some might hoard their wealth like dragons guarding their treasure, the wealthy understand the power of sharing the spoils. By giving back to society, they're not just spreading goodwill, they're cementing their reputation as pillars of the community. Philanthropy isn't just about warm fuzzies, it's also a savvy move. Think tax benefits and access to exclusive networks where opportunities abound. Now cue in the Gates family and their powerhouse foundation. Not only are they changing millions of lives worldwide, but they're also carving a spot as global influencers in health and development. Philanthropy isn't just about giving, it's about giving strategically. By leveraging their wealth for good, the wealthy are not only making a difference, they're shaping their legacy for generations to come. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you found today's video on wealth building strategies both informative and inspiring. For more expert insights and tips on mastering your finances, make sure to subscribe to Luxefluent. Get fluent, stay fluent, and let's pave the way to financial success one savvy move at a time.